Replacing the Integra CMOS battery.
I'm Tony Roach, Training and Field Service Representative for OPW FMS, dealing with the Integra and Nano tank gauges. Today I would like to discuss a problem that can happen if the CMOS battery on the Integra fails in normal operation. So let's say you have an Integra that's been working fine for the last 3 or 4 years, and they have a power outage at the site. And when the unit comes back up from the power outage, we see this screen. With the Integra console and the newer software, the only thing that is held really with the CMOS battery is a system date and time. So when that battery fails, when it comes back up from a power cycle, it will tell you that you have to set the date and time, which we can do usually a little easier with the mouse attached. If you click where the year is, it will actually open a dialog where it will change just the year. The same thing happens if you click where the month is. And then of course you select the day and set your time. And we're Central Time. So now I have set the correct date and time, and I simply apply that and hit OK, and my box will close and the unit will continue to boot up as normal. However, we know we have a failed CMOS battery, so we need to replace that. Now, the CMOS battery can be changed with the power up. As a matter of fact, that would be the preferred way to make that change so that you don't reset everything when you remove the battery with the power off. It's fairly straightforward and easy to do. Now, the CMOS battery is on the main board, top right-hand corner. And to remove that, you might be tempted to pull it straight out, but we don't want to do that because we run a pretty high risk of breaking this bracket that it's in. And once that bracket is broken, you would have to replace the main board in order to put the CMOS battery in. So what we want to do is we get a grip on the battery and we twist it just a little bit. And you can see how one side comes up. And then we just pull it out. Then we take our new battery. Well, first let's look at the new battery. If you'll notice, this battery is a CR2032. That is a standard coin type battery. You can buy it at virtually any department store, drug stores. OPW does not sell this battery, so you would have to purchase it at a third-party supplier. And then to install the new battery, we simply start it in at an angle and let it snap into place. And that should do it. You should now be safe from a power cycle or a power outage resetting the CMOS on your Integra console.